Today we are going to start next topic, and next topic is dishonor of bill. First, you have to know what is the meaning of dishonor of bill. Okay, what is the meaning of dishonor of bill? The word is dishonor. Dishonor means dishonored. Honors just opposite of honors. It means when the driver will go to collect his money to the dryer will go to the collect the money from his dry, and on the date they are not agreeing to pay the money. If they are not ready to pay the money, that is called bill dishonor. Okay, beta? As like that, if one is dryer, one is dry. A and B is there. A and B is there. Okay, A return the bill to the B. B will accept it, and then on due date, A to go into the B just for taking the money, but B will tell they are not able to pay the money. That is called dishonor of bill. Okay, beta? I think well known about the dishonor of bill. It's clear. Dishonor of bill means when on due date drive will not going to pay the money, that is called dishonor of bill. Okay, clear? This concept is clear or not? Dishonored. Dishonor means on the due date, if the driver is not able to pay the money of that bill, that is called dishonor. Now, the main point is that what type of entry or what entry we are going to do for the dishonor of this bill. Okay, beta? Main thing is this only. What entry we are going to do on the time of dishonor of the bill. Just see. A is dryer and B will dry. Okay, just think about that. Okay, he is written the bill and he will accept it. On the time of written the bill, entry is this. BR account debit to B and accepted A debit to BP. Okay, clear I think? On the due date, if he is not paying the money, if drive will not paying the money, just opposite entry beta. Just opposite entry we are going to do. This just opposite beta. B account debit to BR. Okay. And in the book of B, BP account debit to A. This is the entry when bill will dishonor. Okay, when bill will dishonor, this entry we are going to do. Okay, clear? This only. Just opposite of the first entry. Just opposite of the first entry we are going to do on the time of dishonor. Okay, clear? Clear, beta? Now, one more problem will come. One more problem will come. The problem is that when bill will dishonor, okay, and on that time the drive is A not getting the money. It's a very big problem because A needed the money, but B will not able to give the money. Then for this dishonor, we are going to charge one expense that is called noting charge. For the dishonor of the bill, one charge we are charging on the dry, that will maybe pay by the dryer or dry. That case is different. But that will charge, and that charge is called noting charge, beta. Okay? When bill will dishonor, we are going to charge, and that charge is called noting charge for the dishonor of the bill, because this all about these all are the legal things. Okay, beta? These all are the legal things. So for the dishonor of this bill, we are going to charge one charge that is called noting charge, and that person charge is paid by the A, by the B. If paid by the B, so then we are written B debit to cash. Okay, beta? B debit to cash. Okay. B debit to cash. Okay, and here that is the noting charge. That is the noting charge. He is paying that noting charge account debit to A. Okay. These two entry we are doing on the time of dishonor of the bill. Okay, beta? On the time of dishonor of the bill, we are going to do these two entry. Okay? On the place of these two entry, we can do only one entries. Okay, beta? On the place of these two entry, we can do only one entry because this entry for the dishonored and this entry for the noting charge. Okay? On the place of these two, we are going to do the one single entry. And that entry is, just match this code. B account debit to cash to BR. Okay, beta? On the place of these two, we can do only one entry. Okay? We can do only one entry on the place of these two. Here, just like this, BP account debit to A, BP account debit, noting charge account debit to A. Okay, beta? On the place of these two, we can do only one. Okay? On the place of these two, on the time of dishonor of the bill, we are going to do this entry only. Okay? On the time of dishonor of the bill, we are going to do this entry. Entry is BR dry account debit to cash to BR, and here BP account debit, noting charge account debit to dry. Okay? Clear? It's clear or not? It's clear, beta? And then after this dishonor of the bill, beta, it's not means we will tell that they are not able to pay the money, and then A will say, okay, no problem about that, you are not paying my money, it's okay. No, this will not going. Then that old bill will cancel and new bill we are going to write on the dry. Okay, beta? On the B. Because that amount will not payment by the person, so then A will tell that you are going to pay that money, but B again telling at that time we have the we didn't have any money. So then A will agree for return of a new bill, and for this new bill we are going to do the some entries more. Okay, beta? Some more entry we are going to do for the new bill. Okay? So first we are going to do the entry of dishonor. By this bill will cancelled, finished. Then we are going to write the new entry or new bill, make the new bill, and for the new bill we are going to do the new entries. Okay? Now the case is coming. If A is dryer is given the more time for the paying that amount, to sure and certain they will going to charge some more money. Okay, beta? Because that due date is finished. In first bill, they are giving the time of 2 months. That 2 months is finished. And when the 2 months is finished, then A will try to tell about that to give me the more time. And for that more time, sure and certain A will charge some amount. And that charge is called interest. Okay? As like that, first bill from the 2 months, after 2 months, if B will tell me that again give me the 3 month time, or give the new bill for the 3 months. Or give the new bill for the 3 months, sure and certain they charge some amount, and that amount is called interest. Okay, beta? Interest. Now we are going to see how we are going to do the entry for interest. Maybe that interest charge in cash or charge on credit. If that interest is paying by dry in cash, so then in the book of dryer, cash account debit to interest. Okay, beta? And in the book of dry, interest account debit if in cash, if that interest that will charge for the drying for increasing the month, that paid by the drying in cash, that increase cash account debit to interest. But if they are not going to pay the that amount in cash, so then it will be better. Then B debit to interest, and here interest account debit to A. A means dryer, B means dryer. When they are not going to pay, dry will not going to pay the money in cash. Okay, clear? Now, after that, we are going to renewal of the bill. We are going to write the new bill. We are going to write the new bill. Okay, beta? If that interest amount is paid in cash, no problem about that. This interest amount is paying in cash, no problem about that. But if this amount is not paying in the cash, then when we are going to write the new bill, on the time we are going to add this interest in the new bill. We are not going to change the entry, only amount will add. As like that, just see. If 100 rupees interest in cash, okay, then we are going to write the new entry for the bill return. That is BR account debit to B, and here A debit to BP. Okay, maybe if the bill amount is 5,000, so then if paying in cash, so this amount only 5,000. Okay, beta? But if they are not going to pay in cash, and then we are doing with this entry 100 and 100. So then 5,000, 100, 5,000, 100. We are going to add that amount. We are going to add that amount in bill amount, in new bill amount. Okay, beta? On this way we are doing the entries. Again, I am going to repeat these all things. On the time of dishonored, we are going to do this entry. Okay? It's the combination of two entries. When the bill amount not received on the time of due date, that case is called what? That case is called dishonor of bill. And on that case, we are going to do the entry dry account debit to cash to BR. And here BP debit, noting charge debit to A. This cash amount and this noting charge amount is same. Okay, this cash amount and noting charge amount is same. Then we are going to charge the interest. If interest is paying in cash, cash account debit to interest, interest account debit to cash. But that was not paying in the cash, so dry account debit to interest, and then interest account debit to dry, and then again we are going to enter, just write the new entry for the bill, and that is the BR account debit to B and A debit to BP. If interest paying in cash, so then that amount we are not added in the new bill. If that not paying in a cash, so then sure and certain that amount added in a new bill. Okay, clear? On the basis of that, we are going to do the one question. Just see how we are going to do. Just think, A written the bill on B for 2 months. Okay, one book for A and second book for B. Okay, A written the bill on B for 2 months. So what is the number? BR account debit to B. That amount for 5,000, 5,000. Okay, beta? Here A debit to BP. 5,000, 5,000. Okay. On due date, this bill will dishonor. Okay. On due date, this bill was dishonored. So then on the time of dishonored, entry is B debit to BR to cash. Okay, and noting charge paid by the dry 200 rupees. Okay, so that 200 rupees here only, 5,000 here, and this is the 5,002. Okay, bill for the 2 months beta. Okay, so then again here the entry is BP debit, noting charge debit to A. Again noting charge 200, 5,000, 5,200. Okay. First we are doing the bill, then on due date is dishonored. Okay. Then B will request it to the A, write another bill, new bill for the 3 months. Okay. For 3 months with the interest of 10% yearly. With the interest of 10% yearly. If they are not paying in a cash, if they are paying in a cash, so cash account debit to interest, interest account debit to cash. First we are thinking about they are paying in cash. So now we are going to charge 10% of this amount, 5,200 into 10 upon 100 into rate into month, 3 months, 3 are 4, 3 upon 12. Okay? 4 130. Okay, 130 is what? 130 is interest. 130 is interest return. Okay, so then if they are paying in cash, so interest return, cash account debit to interest, and here interest account debit to cash. The amount is 130, 130, 130, 130. Finished? If they are not paying in cash, then if they are not going to pay in cash, so then beta B debit interest 130, 130, and here interest account debit to A 130 and 130. And now we are going to write the new bill. For new bill, again same entry, BR account debit to B, and here A debit to BP with the amount, both amount will add 5,330. 500, 330, 5,330. 5,200 is here only. Okay, and then 5,330, 5,330. This is the case when dry will not pay the interest, will not pay the interest in cash. Okay, beta? Clear?